Yes, change Keno numbers often. This will drive the Keno machine crazy and will change the Keno machine algorithm. Quickly, let's see the first 6 spot now. Yes, the upper left of the Keno card is our favorite. As usual, we share all our Keno numbers. The source of AI Keno numbers are Google Gemini and Microsoft Copilot. Subscribe for more AI Keno Plus strategies. Wait, let's go on to our next Keno 6 spot. Okay, this next 6 spot is a good Keno machine strategy. The casinos don't want you to know this, but the odds for a 5 of 6 are 1 in 324. Subscribe for more Winnin, Keno Plus strategies. Watch and see. Let's go. Write these free Keno numbers down. Subscribe to get more Keno machine strategies. Question: have you tried AI Keno numbers? Next is another consistent 6 spot. That will make you a consistent Keno winner. Okay, come on. Let's go. Remember, the odds are good you will hit a 5 of 6. So, when your Keno machine goes cold, try this next 6 spot to change your Keno machine algorithm. Subscribe for more AI Keno plus Keno numbers. Come on, beat the casino. Let's go. You see, this is a Winnin Keno Plus strategy. Get ready to play longer and win more often at Keno. It's your turn to win at Keno with AI Keno numbers. Wait, beginners! Yes, beginners, watch another video. These 2 videos will have more free Keno numbers, also free AI strategies with current AI Keno tips and tricks. Thank you and good luck.